Am I the only one who was obsessed with those strawberry shortcake ice cream bars we ate as a kid? Well, hi, I'm Rachel, and I'm on a quest to cinnamon rollize, or cinnamon rollify, a bunch of different flavors into cinnamon rolls. For part one, I thought it would be great to do something in honor of summer, fleeting as it might be, but the first thing that came to mind was strawberry shortcake rolls. These rolls embody a strawberry shortcake because they have a classic vanilla cinnamon roll dough, but it's paired with a buttery strawberry filling that also includes chunks of strawberries. We'll frost it off with a strawberry cream cheese frosting and then top it with a strawberry shortcake streusel or crumble. This recipe was heavily inspired by Cake Lamb on TikTok, so I would definitely recommend checking out her recipes. There's honestly something so homey about a classic strawberry shortcake, and especially those classic strawberry shortcake ice cream bars. I think it was something about the coating on the outside and the strawberry sherbet middle that just really hit home. Okay, now you're going to witness the shot that I've been waiting for, which is punching the dough down. Honestly, it's the best way to get rid of a lot of anger or stress, anxiety in your life. Just punch that cinnamon roll dough. Despite this being a cinnamon roll series, this recipe actually doesn't include any cinnamon at all. It's entirely strawberry and sugar based. But I think that's fine because a cinnamon roll is just kind of this classic mold in shape and form, but it can take on so many different formats. It could even be savory. And here's a life hack when you're making cinnamon rolls. Definitely get non-flavored floss to kind of cinch or cut up your cinnamon roll pieces. It makes life so much easier. And while the rolls are proofing for the second time, this is when I like to make the frosting and the shortcake crumble, just to have everything ready to go and prepared when they come out of the oven. Now let's talk about this shortcake crumble because this is one of my favorite parts of this recipe. It combines a little bit of flour, milk powder, salt, and butter to produce something absolutely magical and so addicting. Milk powder is one of those ingredients you don't find in a lot of recipes, but produces this homey flavor that's kind of nostalgic. When you pair it with this secret ingredient, which is strawberry jello mix, everything just kind of comes together and it looks just like that strawberry shortcake crumble that coated those ice cream bars. But instead of putting them on ice cream bars, we are putting them on our strawberry rolls, which we're baking off at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. Now you might be like, hey Rachel, those are different rolls. That's an entirely different container. And you're right, those aren't different rolls, but it is a different container because the one that I made previously just didn't look as great and this one looked better. That's just the reality of food styling. I'd give these a 7 out of 10 because I wish there was a slightly stronger strawberry flavor.